It's no secret that EXPO markers have a special place in the classroom for both teachers and kids. In fact, studies show that 75% of all information processed by the brain is derived from visual formats, and using EXPO markers and a whiteboard can also make learning more enjoyable for the students. My neighbor Keely told me that she just discovered EXPO, the leader in dry erase markers, offers an assortment of so many different colors and styles of markers that we're going to use them to liven up our home learning area. Our kids love hanging out together, so we've arranged a homework play date to get a fresh start on the year and share some tips on how you can make your home classroom better than ever.
EXPO's mission is, whether you're at school, work, or home, it's about communicating early thoughts and working through them together so that we can refine them and make ideas better. EXPO's job is to provide simple and seamless collaboration tools that are available to help you teach, learn, and organize.
Oh, fresh supplies, and I love all of these colors.
Me too.
We love to use these when they have homework, they're practicing for tests, any kind of projects, and I really like these wet erase markers for the stuff that you need to put on the board and needs to stay a little bit longer.
No, we actually use ours for weekly planning sessions with an emphasis on using colors, especially since my kids are a bit younger.
Oh, I love a planning sesh. Here, let's get these all set up for the kids.
Okay.
EXPO's created a variety of options for its consumers, from large classroom packs to starter sets that include spray and erasers, as well as a breadth of colors that can enhance any learning experience. We have found that students use dry erase markers for a variety of things in the classroom, from individual work to group projects and quick thinking. EXPO markers can be found all around the room.
Kaylee, did I do this right?
This is perfect. This is exactly how I set it up at home. Each kid has their own color and they can just check off their assignments when they're done.
I love that. This is also what I like using the wet erase EXPO for, and this makes it really easy to make sure they have everything they need for school every day too.
Exactly.
EXPO offers wet erase markers that feature ink that will only come off with a wet or damp cloth. Those allow you to have a more permanent writing experience when you need it, but still have the flexibility to erase as well.
Here are those whiteboards we got ready earlier for the kids.
They love these. Their teachers use these all the time. It's great for studying, practicing spelling words. Hey kids, Keely brought us some whiteboards for our homework.
There are a variety of tip types, from chisel markers that allow you to write in broad strokes as well as thin lines, bullet tip that can be seen broadly across the room, and then there are more fine markers that can be used for detailed tasks, as well as ultrafine for super detailed writing.
Okay, so he had hibernation.
Oh, wow.
Okay? So we write down this word. If he gets it right, we erase it.
Okay.
If he gets it wrong, we leave it up, and then he looks at it, it's wrong, and then he figures out a new way to write the word because he got that one wrong.
Okay.
Teachers understand the value of using dry erase boards and markers in their lessons, and parents can take the same techniques and use that at home to enhance their kids' learning with EXPO's simple and seamless tools.
Well, it looks like the homework play date was a success. Everyone enjoyed finding their favorite markers, and we even had time to play our favorite drawing games. If you're looking to enhance your creativity, amplify your learning, and make a lasting impact, visit expomarkers.com. And as always, you can go to our website, designingspaces.tv. See you next time.